Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You've already got your account ready. Now open Goodreads and sign in. Once logged in, click the profile icon or your name to go to your public profile page. Make sure you use the account whose link you want to share because the profile URL is account-specific. If you're on mobile, tap the menu then Profile. Once you're viewing your profile, pause here. The visible profile page is where you'll copy the link from next. Now locate the link that points to your profile. On desktop, click the browser address bar and select the entire URL, then copy. On mobile web, do the same or tap and hold the address to copy. In the Goodreads app, tap the three-dot menu or share icon on your profile and choose Copy Link. Make sure the URL contains /user/show/ or your custom username so it goes directly to your public profile. Once copied, it's ready to paste where you need it. Paste the copied link into a message, bio, or post and send it to someone, or open it in a new tab to verify. Once done, check visibility by opening the link in a private or incognito window so you see what others see. Make sure your profile isn't set to private. If the link fails, sign out and try the link again. If it still won't load, confirm you copied the exact URL and not a shortened or app-specific link. Then retry copying from the profile page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.